Welcome back. Let's talk about what makes Claude Code ridiculously powerful: subagents and parallel execution. Here's the thing most developers don't realize. Claude Code isn't one agent. It's a multi-agent system. The main agent? It delegates. Subagents? They execute in parallel. We're talking 10x speed improvements on complex tasks. How it works: subagents get isolated context windows, their own tool permissions, and specialized system prompts. You're not polluting your main conversation. You're orchestrating specialists. Think database optimization, API design, security auditing, all running simultaneously. The real magic? Domain specialist networks. Spin up 10 concurrent agents, each focused on one architectural layer. That 45-minute feature? Done in 10 minutes. Claude Code hit 72.5% on SWE bench using this approach. Now, MCP servers. The Model Context Protocol connects Claude to external systems. Use MCP for integrations, subagents for execution. They work together beautifully. Your file system, databases, APIs, all accessible as native commands. Pro tip: background processes. Run long tasks with run__background equals true. Keep working while compilation, tests, or deployments finish behind the scenes. That's part 2. Part 3 reveals keyboard shortcuts and checkpoint mastery. Visit dmpgh.com for more tips and guides.